Guys, today we are going to learn how to go live on YouTube. But before we start our lecture, just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button. Here I write how to go live on YouTube. Guys, so let's begin. First of all, you all should have to open a Chrome browser, then open Google. From here, you should have to find OBS Studio. But before doing that, if you are going live for the very first time, you should have to open YouTube and go here and search for Go Live option. Then click on this Go Live. It's loading. If you are doing, if you are planning for going live on YouTube for the very first time, you must have to first apply for it. Just as I have, YouTube gave me a permission before I get started live on YouTube. First of all, you will apply for going live, and after 24 hours, YouTube will grant permission to you, and then you may start. But you need an outsource and other software for going live, just as showing here. Connect streaming software to go live. You can download any software, just as I have downloaded OBS Studio, Streamlabs. I use both of these for live streaming, but OBS Studio, I love OBS Studio. OBS Studio is easy and it's free. It's a user-friendly software. Go back and search for OBS Studio, and then if you are a Windows user, then you can go for Windows. But if you are Macintosh, you can go for Macintosh, and if you are Linux, then search for Linux. I'm a Windows user. Then here I get started, but I will cancel it as already I have downloaded it. You just have to download and install. It's very easy step. Then after that, you must have to open it. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Just as here is the interface of OBS Studio Live. Here is the option for start streaming, but before start streaming, first of all, it, it asks you for the key. And here is the key. I will show it to you. Here is YouTube. Here is the key. You have to just copy the key and paste it here before streaming. As you open streaming, my setting is saved. You have to just copy and paste it here. Here is the desktop audio. If you want to connect desktop audio, if you want to connect the desktop audio to the live streaming, you may grant permission to it. Just like here, cancel, and there is no desktop audio here, so I'm canceling it. And after that, if you want to show your Windows capture, just like the Chrome tabs, just like if you want to add sources that you want to wish that appears on the YouTube live stream, you have to add sources. Here is I have added sources. You have to just click on the plus option, and here are many features. You can go for Windows capture, video capture, scene, media source, image slide. Here, if you want to show the whole screen from Chrome tabs to your my PC settings and everything, you can go for display capture. Here is the display capture. But if you want to show the Chrome tabs, just Windows capture, you can go for Windows capture. And here is just OK. As I don't have Windows open now it is not showing it. I have many windows open, but as I'm using another software that are doing the same function, so it's not showing it. So start, start. The other setting you have to do is you go to the settings option. Thing what I'm saying was go to the before start streaming, you have to come to here, and by default here the Twitch option was being selected. You should have to change it to YouTube, and then it started. Server should be primary YouTube ingest server, and the stream key you have to copy the stream key and paste it here. All good. Hotkeys and other general settings you can change it from there. By starting streaming, you are on the live. You will be live. You are on the live YouTube stream, but there don't agree. There will be the 10 seconds gap between the screen appearance and the live YouTube. As I want, I'm going to here. I showed you a demo just like I'm doing it for private, just for you guys. There is a lot. You have to do the same thing as earlier. Private. I'm not going to make it public. Where is private option? Here is private option. Done. Save. Now I'm going to show you how you how you will see me on YouTube screen. Here it is. Windows capture and select Windows capture, capture, save, then plus option and window capture. What will be Windows capture? Zoom meeting, Chrome. There. OK, and then start streaming, connecting. Now guys, I'm live on YouTube. You can see here yellow option. You can see here that here it is private, but they go for public. If you want a public, it is just a demo. Therefore, I made it public, and then for ending the stream, you can end stream here. You can also end stream from your OBS software. Stop streaming. For virtual camera, you can open virtual camera. For changing mic, you can change the mic. You can also add filters to mic. I'm going to stop streaming, and the streaming here stopped. Check it from here. As there is this 10 seconds gap, therefore after 10 seconds it will automatically be stopped. That's all. If you guys learn even a single part from this video, even a single point from this video, just press on the bell icon button and subscribe my channel Yasir Tech 365. Thanks. It will encourage me.